Are your Messenger notifications coming in late? If they are, then in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notification delay. So to get started, firstly check if there is a new update on Messenger. Head over to your Play Store or the App Store and search for Messenger. If there is any new update, you'll need to update the app. Updating apps fixes any kinds of bugs that may be causing the problem. The next thing you can do is try to offload your Messenger app. To do that, tap and hold the Messenger app and head over to App Info. From here you can tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache. Again tap on Clear Data and you'll need to clear the data, but before you do that, make sure you remember your email address and your password. Tap on OK. Clearing data and clearing caches also helps to fix these kind of problems. The next thing you can do is tap on Other Permissions or the permissions of your settings and make sure that the display pop-up window is enabled. And also display pop-up window while running in the background. If these are disabled, then your Messenger notification will not show up. Another thing you can do is you can tap on Notifications and make sure that the Show Notifications is turned on. Toggle on all the notifications for chats, for calls and for all of the other settings that you need.